Hey guys, Paul here from the UK, just in the office at work. Nice chilled day though, beautiful weather outside. So, I finished the course. I first joined Coach Raff probably about 6 weeks ago, something like that. Finished the course after about a week, but that was because I was multiply trying to go through it, get it in my head. First, when you start it seems a little bit daunting. You're like, oh my God, what's this? What's that? But the more you go through it, the more it becomes explained. Very, very in depth. Very, very knowledgeable guy. Can't knock him. And if you've got any questions to ask him, he's there for you. Sometimes he's got his own busy lifestyle as well, so sometimes he doesn't answer straight away, but he will always answer you back. I don't think I've ever waited, any more than like 24 hours or anything like that. He's always answered me back, and he's always as helpful as he can be. He's a really, really good bloke. I've got to admit, at first, I was a bit sceptical because you see all this Forex stuff online. I've been looking into Forex now for probably about the best part of a year, doing like online videos on YouTube and stuff like that, playing around with it, but never to any success. And I can't really tell you what it was about him. I saw him on Instagram, and then we started chatting. And I don't know why, I just felt like easy and I felt comfortable with him, and I think like it built the trust. And I thought, well, do you know what? You've got to take these chances in life. If you don't take these chances in life, these are the ones that you regret. So I thought, I'll tell you what, I'll pay per month. If it's a scam, I can just cut the payments. But it's not. I can assure you, it is not a scam. His signals are excellent, absolutely excellent. And, everything he posts in the group is true. You can see the profits that he banks. He's making them all himself, and he's giving you everything that he's doing. He's giving that out as well. So, you can't knock it for that. And he wants you to become an independent trader rather than these other guys who are just sending signals out and not giving you any knowledge, which I think is brilliant. You shouldn't rely on anybody. You should be wanting to do this independently like I want to do. Okay, 100% yes, we recommend this course to anyone. You don't need any kind of prior knowledge. Like I say, mine was very, very basic. Excuse me, mine was very, very basic. And I would 100% recommend, and I have recommended it to my friends. So there you go. Okay, so goals for the next upcoming years, really, for the next 5-year plan. Basically, I want to become consistent. That's first and foremost. Start becoming consistent. I'd like, I've got a little bit of debt like most people have got. I'd like by either the end of the year or the middle of next year, so in a year's time, basically, to have that all paid off. And by the time I have that all paid off, become an independent trader, so working from home. Now, I'm not after being a millionaire, having a yacht, second house in Saint-Tropez, all this kind of blather. Obviously that's nice, but that's not my main goal. My main goal is to have freedom. I want to be at home. I want to be with my family, see my girlfriend, see my kids, and work from home, go to the gym, take my kids to school, go to the gym in the morning, come back, cook for the day because I love cooking. Nice holidays once, twice a year, nothing too glamorous. If I can achieve that, then that is me a success. Anything more than that is a bonus to me. So that is probably mine. Quite humble goals really, but freedom is the biggest thing. I just want freedom. I work away at the moment, work down in London, whereas I'm from the north of England, and I'm sick and tired of it. I want to be back home. I want to be with my family. As long as I can apply what Coach Raff has taught me, 100% yes, I can make this achievable. The thing I'm struggling with the most at the moment is discipline. I'm quite a spontaneous person, so this is probably the biggest struggle for me, is discipline. And what I mean by that is emotional trading. So I've got a tendency that if I lose a trade, I'll try and jump back into it to try and gain that money that I've lost and end up losing more. So this is why at the moment I'm still trading on a demo account, and I'm going to keep trading on the demo account until I counteract that. So time will tell. But yes, as long as, you know, with RAF signals and, you know, everything that I've learned so far and applying everything I've learned, you know, there's no reason why I can't achieve this. It is just down to me now. And like I said, I just need to learn to control that self-discipline. And this is probably the hardest thing. And I think it's probably the thing why most people fail at this industry is discipline. Also say, guys, you know, if you were like me at first and you were skeptical and thinking, what should I do? What should I do? Go for his money payment program where you can pay him each month. And I guarantee you, you won't go back on it. I've looked at loads of different Forex traders. And I think pretty much everyone's being a scam, but it's just, I don't know what it is about Raf. You know, he's doing this for himself. And you can see by the lifestyle he's living, which is, you know, once again, I'd say it's quite a humble lifestyle. He's not there flaunting the Ferraris, the Rolex watches, the Michelin star restaurants. He's not doing that. He likes time with his friends, time with his missus. And I think that's what attracted me to him. So give it a go. Even if you go on the money payment, see how you get on for a couple of months. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. And that's what I thought. And I've not cancelled it yet, and I'm not going to cancel it. I'll be with Coach Raf now for, well, as long as really now, I think. So yeah, that's all I've got to say. Peace out, guys. Thanks very much, and bye-bye.